Hey guys, it's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be trying to follow step-by-step detailed eyebrow tutorial from Petite-Sue. So just stay tuned for that. So we're gonna use this.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing a updated eyebrow tutorial just because you guys been requested a updated one. I don't know, maybe because since recently I've been rocking my brows a little bit more sparse, well, sometimes. So, and a spoolie, those are very important. You're also going to need your concealer or concealers. Okay, I'm using the It's You Sister. Yeah, that's the purpose of this video today. Let's just to me, to be honest. You're definitely going to need a small angled brush. This one is from Pomi by Lyric. I don't remember the specific set. And I have a small concealer brush and a spoolie. Those are very important.
Eyebrow pencil brush. So you're gonna dip a little bit on your pencil point, like on your brush point, like this. And then
this is in golden beige and tan. Start off with freshly groomed brows. Then you proceed to combing through your hairs, bringing everything in one direction. I take my pencil and start from the mid portion of the brow and I just drag the product to the tail end. No, I haven't been filling in too dark because, as I said, I don't know, I've been liking that natural hairy look. So I like the look of my hairs just, you know, peeking through. So what I do is take the spoolie and I kind of distribute the rest of the product to the front of the brows, but not too much because I do not like when the front of my brows look harsh at all.
In with my
those are very important.
MAC concealer. This is the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour smooth wear A88. If you guys can actually see it. Before we go in with our concealer, if you're going to do like a full foundation look, then you can use a lighter concealer if you want to do that. But if you're only going to your eyebrows, then I would suggest using a dark concealer rather than using a lighter concealer. You want to use something dark that will actually blend in with your skin tone because you're not putting on like foundation. But it's your preference if you want to have light concealer under your brows, honestly.
But that's all to it. So you just want to make sure you're cleaning up the bottom portion of the brows. You're keeping a very straight line. That's the point of everything basically. And you know, to kind of make
this, like the eyebrow eraser kind of gel dark, so we're just gonna brush out the excesses. I'm gonna send it for this brow right here.
Some people prefer to do their brows without any concealer on top, so that's why I gave you that little view there. Brow shape a little bit more pronounced. I proceed to using the small concealer brush to blend out all that product, because you do not want any harsh lines. You want this to look seamless, flawless, as mentioned before. Now, as you notice, this blends in a little bit more and makes everything look a little bit more flawless. That was pretty much it for the brows. I'm showing you where one brow at the top is not yet concealed and the next is concealed.